Hi, welcome to the Scholarden video on cyclotron. In this video, we will learn the principle, construction, and working of a cyclotron. Now, what is cyclotron? Cyclotron is a device which is used to accelerate positive charge particles. So positive charge particles. So here you can say that it's just a device which is going to accelerate the positive charge particles like protons, neutrons and alpha particles to a very high voltage. Now, on what principle does it based? Principle. Right? So it is based on the principle that it can be accelerated to a very high kinetic energy. So it can be accelerated to a very high energy by passing it in the oscillating electric field time and again in presence of perpendicular magnetic field. So if a charged particle is passed through the oscillating electric field time and again in presence of magnetic field, it gets accelerated to very high energy. So this is the principle. Now, what are the main parts which are involved in the construction? So construction. In construction we can name first part is the 2 half Ds. So we are just naming it as 2 half hollow metallic Ds. So 2 half hollow metallic, and you can write it as Ds. Ds means in the shape of the D. So 2 half metallic Ds. Now second point we can write powerful magnet which provide the perpendicular magnetic field. So this is the powerful magnet. Now third one is the Ds are attached with the oscillating electric field. So third one is your oscillating electric field. So you are just attaching the oscillating electric field. Now after this, what you are having a window from which the charged particle will just leave out. So you are having a window present in one of these half Ds. So this is the window. Now how we are going to draw the diagram for this now? So 2 half Ds, we are just making it in this way. This is your first D, so first half D. Now this is your second half D, right? Now this is your perpendicular magnetic field, north pole, and this I am assuming is at south pole. So this is providing the perpendicular magnetic field. So you can put cross like this. So magnetic field is working inside this. It means like this. So there is a perpendicular magnetic field. After this, these 2 Ds are connected with the oscillating electric field. So these 2 Ds are connected by the oscillating electric field, right? Now what we'll do, we will put the positively charged particle here. So this is your positively charged particle here. Now as soon as you switch on this oscillating electric field, right, now suppose this D becomes negative, and due to this negative nature, this oscillating due to oscillating electric field, this positive charge move inside this because it will be attracted towards the negative, and since the magnetic field is perpendicular to it, so it will follow the spherical path, right? And as it is about to leave this D, what's happening, the frequency of the oscillating field is set in such a way that this gets reversed. So at this end this becomes positive and then this becomes negative. So again it will be accelerated here and it will enter in this D with increased velocity, so the radius will increase. Again when it will reach here, the oscillating electric field will get changed, so this will become positive and then this will become negative. Again it will move in this, like this it will continuously keeps on moving. Finally its velocity or the energy increases to a tremendously high value, and then here we are having a window here, somewhere here we are having one window, and from this window it will just come out, and then we are assuming that here is your target and it will hit the target. So we can just label this portion as the target. So charged particle will hit the target, and whatever nuclear reaction you want to proceed, that nuclear reaction will start. Now how you will find out the radius of this? Since it is going to have the circular path, so there will be a centripetal force, and that force will be equal to mv square by r. Now who is going to provide that necessary centripetal force? That will be the magnetic force. So in place of that, what you can write, F is equal to qvv. So here you can write qvv. Now v you can cancel out by v, so what is the value of r from here? mv by qb. It means this radius is directly proportional to the velocity, right? It is independent of the frequency or the time period, you can say. Now suppose I want to find out the time period, so t means time period in one complete circle, so 2 pi r and divided by v. What you do, you substitute the value from here of r, so 2 pi mv divided by v, and then here you can write qb. You can cancel out v from here, so what will get? Time period is equal to 2 pi m by qb. So this is the time period. So if radius is taken as first, so this is taken as second. Now what is the frequency? Frequency is one of the time period, so it will be qb upon 2 pi m. So this is the frequency. Suppose we are going to ask for the angular frequency, so omega is equal to 2 pi f, so you can write omega is equal to 2 pi multiplied by qb upon 2 pi m. 2 pi you can cancel it out, so omega is equal to qb by m. This is termed as angular frequency. So four terms we have derived from here. First is the radius, second is the time period, third one is the frequency, and fourth one is the angular velocity. Thank you.